Hello dear guys, today I am going to discuss about the atom. The smallest particle of an element which cannot be divided into two or more than two different parts, that is called atom. Atom is the smallest particle of an element which contains all the properties of that element. Atom of all the atoms of one element are identical. The atoms of different elements are different in qualities, but as far as the atoms of the same elements are concerned, they are all identical in every aspect. As far as the construction of structure of atom is concerned, it is made up of several particles. Inside the atom, there are several particles such as electron, proton, neutron, positron, meson, gluon, neutrino, and more particles. And how many particles are there? Till now, it is not fixed. But only 32 particles are known to the scientists. Electron, proton, and neutron are the common particles which are found in each and every type of atoms. So these particles are called fundamental particles. The question arises, why electron and proton and neutron are called fundamental particles? Fundamental means which is common for all, such as in social science we study about fundamental rights. A set of rights which has been given to each and every citizen of India, that is the fundamental right. Same way, electron, proton, and neutron are called fundamental particles because these particles are found in each and every type of atoms, and as a result of which the atom is formed. Now, the position of electron, proton, and neutron are different. Electron is positively charged. Electron is negatively charged. Proton is positively charged, and neutron is electrically neutral. Once again, I remind you: electron is negatively charged, proton is positively charged, whereas neutron is electrically neutral. In this way, the atom has been formed. Thank you. Have a nice day.